Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, a retro-style micro-camper van that blends vintage charm with modern luxury. Imagine stepping into a vehicle that instantly transports you to the golden age of travel, but with all the comforts you'd expect today. From its smooth, rounded body to its light red and cream paint job, this camper is a rolling piece of nostalgia that catches every eye. As we take a closer look, notice how the two-tone finish glows under the ambient lighting of this sleek, modern lobby. The polished marble floor reflects every curve and detail, giving this camper an almost showroom-like presence. It's not just a vehicle, it's a centerpiece, a statement, and a conversation starter that bridges the past and present. Step inside, and the story gets even better. The interior welcomes you with sofa-type seats upholstered in light red fabric with soft white cushions, inviting you to sit back and relax. Cream-colored walls and warm wooden cabinets surround you, while small curtains add a homey touch. The solar panels on the roof hint at modern sustainability, showing that this camper doesn't just look classic, it's built for today's traveler. What makes this micro-camper so fascinating is the balance it strikes. On one hand, it's dripping with nostalgia. The curves, the tones, the retro vibe. On the other, it's practical and luxurious, giving you comfort that makes long journeys feel effortless. Whether parked indoors like this or out on the open road, it's a perfect example of style meeting function. When it comes to pricing, a retro-style micro-camper like this doesn't just fall into the vehicle category, it's an experience. Depending on customizations, features like solar panels and interior luxury, the price could range anywhere from $25,000 to $40,000. While that may seem like a big investment, it's actually affordable compared to larger RVs and motorhomes, making it a perfect choice for those who want a blend of nostalgia, modern comfort, and sustainable travel without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Would you take this retro camper for a spin, or maybe even make it your home away from home? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what kind of adventures you'd take it on. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic meets modern design, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing vehicle tours, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep chasing the road less traveled.